Good afternoon. Today, actually, we are talk about the vision. Talk about vision from vision to value. Actually, everyone, we talk about the vision, especially talk about AI vision. So we talk about vision, they talk about the AGI. Actually, today, Alibaba, they talk about the super intelligent ASI. In Central Bank, we also have our vision for AI power our business. Our group CEO well worded as AI will transform our business model and reshape the future of finance. I'm very happy, more than happy to continually talk about our vision, our future, our business model. But we are commercial corporations. So our investor, our client, our employee are asking us what real value AI would bring us today at this moment. So therefore, today I'd like really very honored to share our AI journey and also some of the practice and thinking on how to transfer AI vision to real business value. Before we embark on the AI journey, I'd like to explain who we are, what kind of business our Central Bank we are doing. Central Bank is one of most systemically critical, important bank. That is one point I especially want to highlight. This means our banking, our business have some real impact on our global economies. This means what we do, our operation have very small room for mistake. We have low risk appetite. That's the first point I want to highlight. Second point I want to highlight, Central Bank, we are operating in more than 15 markets, including China. We have been in China operating, never stop our operation for more than 160 years. The diversity of Central Bank, our network really make us uniquely the super connector for our client. So many markets with so many different cultural, commercial, and regulatory environment. So it poses another challenge for us to adopt AI across all our market in the scale. Few years ago, from the ChatGPT moment, we already realized the huge potential from large language model. So we start invest for AI technology. The first things we are doing, actually, I guess most of you will do the same, is the general AI office tools to boost our productivity for our staff. Then we also to enable our development for our coding to make sure to make their work more efficient from the coding to orchestrating. But all these kind of the two business cases, actually, as you can see, it's quite general across all our industry. It's not specific to banking industry. When we really think to start to embed AI into our banking process, we got stuck. We faced the challenge. As you have seen in the MIT report, the quite recent report, they talk 95% of the generative AI pilot actually are failing from the pilot to production. The number sounds a bit exaggerating, but we do share same kind of the challenge. So for our banking operations, normally we have the some people know our operation role is normally separated into maker role and the checker role. Our initial thinking, our intuitive thinking is can we replace our maker with the AI? But soon we realize it is not realistic at this moment. For example, we have so many key information we need extract from the scattered document. We have tried many in the market, very advanced solution, AI solution, include end-to-end VL model-based solution. We also tried the pipeline OCR solution. The accuracy of result actually still could not meet our expectation. It's below the accuracy level. Actually, is lower than our human makers. Also, human mistake. Everyone maybe know. So, the human mistake normally are within some spaces, but AI mistake can be anywhere, unpredictable. That make our checker work even harder to find all this kind of mistake. So it replace our checker is not option. It's no way. So we started to think about how can we edit AI to our each process as assistants. So we also realized there's not much room to plug the current AI into our existing standard process, because our current process actually is well defined for human only and highly performed by human. So replacement seems not possible. And the assistants not work. We have to sit down to think the whole thing again. How could we really deliver AI value for our specific banking industry value? This is our thinking outcome. Also, it's our best practice throughout all our AI journey. I directly go to the second point. Actually, we just talk about process challenge. How to address this process challenge for banking special this industry. Actually, our solution is we have to redesign and even revamp entire our process to allow room for AI and the machine coexisting. Assign the task to AI or human for their specific strengths. We name it co-intelligent AI native process. Get back to the first point. Any successful AI project have to be business-led with very specific and clear value target. Last, but definitely not least, high-quality data is always important to ensure persistent AI performance. When business process data ready, it's turned to technology for engineering as a solution. In Standard Bank, we built our AI platform as the AI foundation. For quite some time, we talk about AI. It's a term for scientists. It's something coming from the labs. to really deliver AI value, will deliver AI value, we probably have to turn our innovation method to production method. Give AI to product designer and engineer from labs to factories. That's the reason why we name our AI platform to AI factory, meaning AI is produced at the functioning at the industrial level rather than still artisanal level. When we build in order to achieve all this kind of capability, when we design the AI platform, AI factory, we keep this key feature in our mind. AI capability, number one, AI capability are standardized and modularized. Our AI platform develop, pre-design, and develop this AI capability, which are used by our AI enablement team as the functional blocks, same like Lego block. That is the first feature we have to bear in mind. So all this kind of the atomized AI capability can be reused across all our many different business cases. So that it really can cut down our development cost, and also really accelerate our speed to market, the AI value delivery. Third one, our AI safety control at the scaling level, a standard should be built into this AI capability. It's really to make them truly scalable across all our market that we just talked about. In order to really we build this platform with all these features. As a bank, we need the support and the products from technology communities. We see Alibaba as our one of most important partner in technology community. With all this kind of AI capability from Alibaba, they really can empower this AI journey in the banking industry. The three areas they can play the big role. Foundation model, especially their Qwen seriously open source model, is well fit for on-premise deployment and for AI solution. Second one, models still there. We can imagine how powerful if we embed entire their model still into our AI factory. You can imagine how powerful it would be. The last one, definitely not least, the Alibaba have very strong the AI technology expertise with abundance. We call that they are forward deployed engineers. All this kind of AI capability from Alibaba is definitely will accelerate entire banking industry to really translate their AI vision to real business value for their client and employees. We really look forward to more cooperation with Alibaba and its entire AI ecosystem. Thanks for your time.